Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A13, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. Just a couple of minutes ago I set up here my face recognition, and as can you see, now I can unlock the device with my face. And now I'll make a 5 of tries to unlock the device, and we will see how fast and useful this feature is. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock method works not so fast, but here this device got the faster recognition, also the faster recognition feature, and you can turn it on if you wanna know how the faster recognition works. You can also find the video on our Hard Reset YouTube channel, the face unlock, the normal face unlock and the faster recognition together. Just as can you see, the normal face unlock works, and you can try this unlock method if you don't like, for example, some unlock methods like the passcodes, pin codes, but don't forget that this unlock method is less secure than just the passcode or pattern or pin code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.